All right, day 3. We're gonna head now to Yosemite National Park. Go get to see maybe the falls and El Capitan. So let's see how that goes. So it's 2 hours 15 minutes from Fresno. That's where we are staying. From there we'll be there in 2 hours, and then we'll catch up there. So hope to see you guys. It's gonna cover Yosemite National Park.
Entering Yosemite Falls.
We have entered the Yosemite Sierra National Forest, and we are slowly going to enter the opening or the gate for Yosemite National Park. We do see some devastation of the wildfires. You can see all the trees are burnt here, but it's a way of nature of resetting and regrowing things. So, all right, 30 more minutes and we will be at Yosemite Falls. Look at this view. Whoa! Welcome to Yosemite National Park. Second national park in 2 days. So this is actually super exciting. So we're here at the entrance, and entry fee is again same, $35, but they usually give a 7-day pass. Oh no, here they are saying valid for 3 days with receipt. So Yosemite is 35, Sequoia is 35, but Sequoia gives you access to 2 national parks, Kings Canyon and Sequoia, and that is valid for 7 days. So you can do what works for you. And we are here. Gonna get entry, and then we're gonna go inside and we'll catch up again. Taken a break here to check out these beautiful purple hyacinths. Look at that. Wow. It's just a bed of purple flowers. And then you can see some big redwoods here too. This is called the Wawona Road. So we are at 4,000 feet already, elevation. 2 hours. It took us 2 hours from Fresno. And we have entered Yosemite National Park. And now we're just gonna head towards Yosemite Falls viewpoint, and then towards El Capitan viewpoint, and we'll see if we can catch a glimpse of those two, and then we're going to head out towards San Francisco. So look at this beautiful view of this forest, and this is actually a trailhead, so you can see a lot of cars are parked here, and we saw people going from here into the trails. All right, see you soon. So we are halfway, we're 15 minutes away from the Yosemite Falls, where we can capture, you can see the little white stream of water there. That's some waterfalls, and you can see the half dome right between the valley over there. And then look at this one, beautiful. We're almost there. We're just gonna go straight here around the whole valley, and we're gonna reach the base of the mountains, the Yosemite Falls over there. So let's go and check it out. Koyas right there, El Capitan, three brothers, and in the corner there is Yosemite Falls. We're gonna go there, but I think this is a beautiful view. Hopefully you can see El Capitan in the back, three brothers, Yosemite Falls right there. Beautiful glimpse of nature. This just looks too stunning. And you can hear the waterfall in the background. More beautiful glimpses towards the exit of Yosemite. Take a look at that. Countless views of beautiful nature. Showing you a different entrance of Yosemite. This is the El Merced River. Look at that beautiful sound wave. Sounds of the river. And here is Yosemite National Park's entrance. This is from the San Francisco side. So We are heading to San Francisco now, so we're basically out here. So wanted to get a glimpse of that. So if you come from San Francisco, you will probably be entering into the park from here, but we are actually going to San Francisco, so we are exiting from here. So hopefully you love this episode. Check this out. I'll give you a voiceless sound of nature. Just listen to this for last 10 seconds. So that was everything that we covered in Yosemite National Park. So hopefully you all enjoyed the glimpse of that. Put your views and your reviews in the comment, and we can take that as feedback for the next episode. So till then, take care, travel more, enjoy your life, and I will see you guys in the next episode, which is going to be about more downtown and places of interest in San Francisco. So see you later. Take care. Bye bye.